What's up, guys? Say what's up to Marcus. Say hi, Marcus.
What's up?
Today we're gonna be. What are we doing today, Marcus? Recording the car, huh?
Yeah.
You're gonna record the car for me?
Yeah.
So I got my little photographer here. He's gonna record for me. We're gonna do a little. I haven't really showed what exhaust I have on the Shelby. It's the MVRP Resonator Delete from late model. So late model restoration. So I want to give kind of like a takeoff from it. I didn't do it. Unfortunately, I didn't do it when it was stock. But I mean, I figured if I do it now, people can kind of get a sound of it. And I mean, there is a lot of YouTube videos of it. But I want to do one that's completely, that people can hear it a little bit better. There's a couple of them on YouTube, but like I said, I want to do one of my cars. So today, that's what we'll be doing. And the next video, guys, hopefully will be of what happened with the Fox. I know a lot of people on Instagram are kind of asking me, well, did I sell it or whatever? But I didn't sell it. Got some things worked up. Editing the video, I still got to record like 2 more things about it. So when I get done with editing it, then I will post it, I promise y'all. But we're getting into this little spot here over here that's kind of empty. I mean, it still has cars going through it, but we'll just see. Hopefully not too much traffic, but let's get it, guys.
Yeah.
Just did a couple pulls. I spun all the way down, as y'all saw. I did a little burnout. Just see the tires would get warm. Fortunately, this is, I mean, it's not loose gravel, but just wasn't not a good place for this car. But this road, I've done almost every car I've had. I've came down this road, so thought it was only right to bring my car out here, bring my son. We're just enjoying a Sunday cruise, man. I mean, it don't get no better than this. How'd you like it, Papa? It was awesome. Did a little burnout, so but yeah, this road, I mean, It's not the greatest road, but it is good for what I just did. You know, I had fun. This video is gonna be short and simple. I'm actually going to my GT right now. Again, that'll probably be for next video. This is just, sorry if the wind is blocking, or if it's too much wind. So what I'm gonna do is with this video is just for sound purposes. I wanted to show people what the MBRP resonator delete from late model restoration sounded like. I know a lot of people always ask me what exhaust I have. So I'm also gonna include a couple other videos, some revving videos. But that's it, guys. I mean, I'm enjoying Sunday cruise with my son. We're gonna go enjoy a little bit more cruising. Gonna go home, watch some football. Right, Marcus? There you go. Until next time, guys. I appreciate it. Appreciate y'all's love, y'all support, everything. And I will try to continue to throw more content out there. It's a little difficult for me right now, but I'm gonna try. So like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that kind of good stuff. And I'll catch y'all next time, guys.